Good morning, students. Last class we finished the waves synopsis. We'll start the problems in the waves. Page number 462 KCET corner. First question. What they are asking, see. Page number 462, first question. A bat flies at a steady speed of 4 meter per second, emitting a sound of F is equal to 90 into 10 cube hertz. It is flying horizontally towards a vertical wall. The frequency of the reflected sound as detected by the bat will be. Here there is a wall. This is wall. Here one bat is there. More or less it is in this shape. One bat is there. It is going towards the wall with a speed of 4 meter per second. Okay. Now it produces sound. This sound will travel like this, reached to the wall, and again it is coming back like this. It is reflecting like this. At the time this bat is moving like this. So here this will be the source, like that we had to take. He will be the bat will be the observer, like that we had to take. So here both are, bat is going in this direction. In the same way, bat is the observer. Source is also moving towards the bat. When both are approaching, apparent frequency formula V plus VO by V minus Vs into N. Here velocity of sound they gave 330. Reflected sound will have the same velocity of bat. So it will also have the same velocity of 4 meter per second, and 330, this will be also 4. Observer velocity 4 meter per second is observer, and this is source. Like that we had to take into actual frequency they gave 90 into 10 cube. So this will be 334, 326, 90 into 10 cube. If we calculate, finally this is 92.1 into 10 cube H. This is the formula. Like this we will get the answer. First question, it will be third option. Next, see the second one. What they are asking. Closed organ pipe and open pipe of same length produces 2 beats per second while vibrating in their fundamental modes. This will be closed pipe. This will be open pipe. Closed open, they are producing same fundamental frequencies. They are having the same length. Between the frequencies, how many beats are appearing means 2. Its frequency will be V by 2L. Its frequency will be V by 4L. Okay. This is more, this is less. L is same only for both of them. So initially V by 2L minus V by 4L. It is the frequency of open pipe. It is the frequency of closed pipe. This value will be equal to 2. So V by 4L is equal to 2. V by L, let it be equation 1. Later what they did is, length of the open pipe is halved. They made this length as half, initial length. And so it becomes L by 2. And closed pipe is doubled. So it's, wait. What they give? Open pipe is halved. Closed pipe is doubled. So its length becomes 2L. Its length becomes half. Now their frequencies, what will happen? V by, we wrote wrong, na? This closed pipe V by 4L, open pipe V by 2L. This is closed pipe, this will be open pipe. This is correct only. Now what will happen to its frequency? V by 4 into 2L. What will happen to its frequency? V by 2 into L by 2. It becomes V by L. It becomes V by 8L. Which is more? This is more. Its frequency is more than this. Now, V by L minus, right here, V by 8L is equal to how many beats? So this value will be 7V by 8L. 7 by 8 into V by L value will be, we got 8 here. So this is equal to 7. So how many beats are producing means 7. Second question, it will be fourth option. Next, see the third one. What they are asking, see, uniform wire is there, its length is L, diameter is D, density is rho, stretched under a tension T. The correct relation between fundamental frequency, length and diameter is, so frequency of a stretched string, fundamental frequency, what is the formula? 1 by 2L root of T by M. This is the formula. Mass is equal to here A into D. So small l they gave it as capital L. T by capital A into density plus they gave rho. Area I am writing it as, let's see here, 1 by 2L root of T. Area will be pi r square into rho. This r I am taking out. F is equal to 1 by 2LR T by pi rho. R I am writing it as density. Diameter. R is equal to D by 2. 1 by 2L into D by 2 square root of T by pi rho. 2 will cancel. Then F proportional to 1 by LD. So option for this will be first option. Clear? Next. See the fourth question. What they are asking, equation of a wave is given by y is equal to 10 sine of 2 pi by 45 into t plus alpha. They gave one simple harmonic equation for a progressive wave. Displacement is 5 centimeter at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 centimeter. You substitute these values, then what we will get? 5 is equal to 10 sine of 2 pi by 45 into 0 plus alpha. T value will be 0. It becomes 0. So 5 by 10 is equal to sine alpha will remain. Sine alpha is equal to 1 by 2. This will be 30 degrees. Alpha is equal to pi by 6. 30 degrees means pi by 6 radians. Then what is the phase at t is equal to 7.5? So at t is equal to 7.5 seconds, y is equal to 10 sine of, how much we are getting here, see, 2 pi by 45 into 7.5 plus pi by 6. So 2 into 7.5 means 15. 15 by 45 means 3. So, pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Pi by 3 means it will be 60. This will be pi by 6 means 30. 60 plus 30 means 90. So this is 10 sine pi by 2. They are asking just phase only. Phase will be pi by 2. Therefore, phase is equal to pi by 2 at t is equal to 7.5 second. Okay. Next, fifth one. What they are asking, see. Two tuning forks are there, A and B, produces notes of frequencies 250 Hz and 262 Hz. Unknown note sounded with A produces certain beats. When the same note is sounded with B, the beat frequency gets doubled. The unknown frequency is there. Unknown frequency is what? So here one tuning fork is there. A. What is its frequency? 258. Here one more tuning fork is there, B. What is its frequency? It will be 262. Okay, they gave this one. With unknown frequency, its frequency we don't know. It is producing some beats. Okay. Now it is producing double the beats. Double the beats means definitely its frequency will be less than this. Then only it will be much more less than this and it will produce double the beats. How many beats are producing? A produces certain beats. Then what will be the frequency of an unknown note sounded with A produces certain beats. Another of the same note is producing, same note is sounded with B, the beat frequency gets doubled. Okay. This frequency I am assuming it as N. Then beat frequency delta f is equal to first case delta f1 258 minus n. Here in the second case delta f2 is equal to 262 minus n. If you between these two, they give delta f2 is equal to 2 into delta f1. 262 minus n is equal to 2 into 258 minus n. So if you do, this will be, this 2n will comes to this side, 2n minus 2 is equal to 258 into 2, 2 8s are 16, 10, 11, this will be 516 minus 262. 262 if you subtract 4, 11 minus 6, 5, this will be 254. N is equal to 254 Hz. So this will be the frequency of that fork. So fifth question, it will be second option. Clear? Next, see the sixth one. What they are asking: a wire under tension vibrates with fundamental frequency 600 Hz. Length is doubled, radius is halved, and tension becomes 1/9. What will be the fundamental frequency? So n is equal to 1 by 2l square root of t by pi r square d. This is the fundamental frequency formula. n1 by n2 is equal to l2 by l1 t1 by t2. This will comes, r square will come, so we will write like this: 1 by 2lr into t by pi d. Like this I will write. Density will be same only here. So here what we will get? R2 by R1, because it is in the denominator. This value will be T1 by T2. So N1 value they gave 600. They are asking to find N2 value. What they mentioned about the length, length is doubled, 2L by L. What happened to the radius? Radius is halved, R by 2 by R. Tension, what happened means T by 9. So these two will cancel. 600 by N2. 2 into 1 by 2 into root 9 means 3. So N2 is equal to 200 Hz. Okay. Sixth question, it will be fourth option. Okay. See the seventh question. Which of the following is incorrect? If the wave is mechanical, it may or it may not be transverse wave. Yes, it may be longitudinal wave or it may be transverse wave. So that statement is correct only. Mechanical waves cannot propagate in vacuum. That is also correct statement. Diffraction helps us to distinguish between sound waves and light waves. No. Polarization will distinguish between sound waves and light waves. It will comes for you in the 12th standard. In the wave optics lesson, it will comes for you. So third option will be the wrong statement. Fourth, if you check, if the wave is longitudinal, It must be mechanical wave, that is correct only. Okay, seventh question, it will be third option. See the eighth question. Intensity of level of sound whose intensity is 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square. Actually, previously this syllabus is there. Now it is deleted. Only one problem. We will do that. So here what is the formula here we have to use is IL is equal to 10 log I by I naught. This is the formula. So this is 10 log. This is 10 power minus 8 they give. This is I naught will be always constant. 10 power minus 12 that is. Okay. So 10 into log 10 power 4. 10 into 4 log 10. Log 10 will be 1. So this will be 40. Because this is 1. 40 unit will be decibel. This is now it is not there according to the new syllabus. You prepare this question. Next. Ninth question. So eighth question, what will be the option for it? Second option. Next, ninth one. What they are asking, see. The equation of a transverse wave is given by y is equal to 0.05 sine of pi we will take inside. It will be 2 pi t minus 0.02 pi x. This is the equation they gave. Then what is the minimum distance of separation between the two particles which are in the same phase? Means that will be wavelength. And what is the wave velocity? Okay. So comparing with y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Omega is equal to 2 pi. K is equal to 0.02 pi. What we have to find? We have to find minimum distance between the two particles which are in the same phase. Means lambda is equal to how much? What is the wave velocity we have to find? Using K, we will find lambda. Since K is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Lambda is equal to 2 pi by K. 2 pi by 0.02 pi. Pi will cancel. This will be 100. And since V is equal to omega by K. 2 pi by 0.02 pi. This is also 100. Here SI units. So this will be meter per second. It will be meter. Okay. Ninth question, it will be second option. Okay. Next, see the 10th one. Totally CET and NEET problems 48 are there in this chapter. 16 we will do. In 3 sessions we will try to finish. In this class we will discuss up to 16 and stop. 10th question, what they are asking, see. Frequency of a second overtone of the open pipe Second overtone of the open pipe means this will be 3V by 2LO is equal to frequency of the first overtone of the closed pipe. This will be 3V by 4LC. Then ratio of length of open pipe and closed pipe. This will be 4 by 2. So this will be 2 by 1. 10th question, it will be first option. See the 11th question. A person with vibrating tuning fork of frequency 338 Hz is moving towards a vertical wall with a velocity of 2 meter per second. The velocity of the sound in air is 340 meter per second. The number of beats heard per the second is. So here what is the question say? What exactly they are asking? Here one vertical wall. This is some road. Here a person is there by holding a tuning fork, vibrating tuning fork. He is running towards the wall. This person will listen two sounds. One will be direct sound. Another one will be reflected from the wall. And this sound means this sound is coming like this, he is going like this. At the time, what is the apparent frequency means? V plus VO by V minus Vs into N. That is the apparent frequency. First problem we did in this class. His sound is coming like this, he is moving like this, then he will listen this frequency. Another one will be direct sound, that frequency will be N. It will be more than this N. Number of beats is equal to N1 minus N2 V plus VO by V minus Vs minus 1 into N. N we can take common. So here this value V plus VO minus V plus Vs by V minus Vs into N. Here VO, Vs values will be same only. So this value VO plus VO by V minus VO into N, since Vs is equal to VO. Reflected sound will have the same velocity of observer. Finally, how many beats we will get? What is the answer we will get is here. Delta N is equal to 2VO by V minus VO into N. Here values 2 into velocity of the observer is 2. Frequency is 338. And here this value 340 minus 2. 338 will cancel. So 4. So 11th question, it will be second option. Next, see the 12th question. What they are asking. Metallic wire length is 1 meter, mass is 10 into 10 power minus 3 kg, tension is 100 Newton. What is the speed of the wave? We will find linear density. Linear density is equal to mass by length. Mass value will be 10 into 10 power minus 3. Length value will be 1. It becomes 10 power minus 2 kg per meter. Then find the velocity. V is equal to square root of t by m. Square root of t value 100. This value 10 power minus 2. Finally, it will be 100 meter per second. 12th question, it will be first option. It goes to numerator na 10 square. 10 square plus 10 square means 10 power 4. Square root means 100. 10 square will be there, means 100. Next. Question number 13. What they are asking, see. Train is approaching towards the platform with a speed of 10 meter per second. Velocity of the train will be source. It is only producing the sound 10 meter per second. Frequency it is producing is 340 Hz. Stationary observer. So here observer is stationary. Source is moving towards the stationary observer. Always velocity of sound is from source to observer. Here what is the apparent frequency they are asking. This V value is 340. So n dash is equal to source is moving towards a stationary observer. Formula V by V minus Vs into N. Already we discussed these formulas in the synopsis. Try to check that. 340 by V minus Vs. This value 340 minus 10 divided by n value, V value 340 minus 10 and n value will be 340. So 340 by 330 into 350. If we calculate this, we will get this value as 350.3 Hz. Okay, so option for this will be second option. 13, it will be second option. Next, see the 14th. What is that say? Pipe length is 30 centimeter and open at the both ends, means open pipe, produces harmonic. Which harmonic mode of the pipe resonates 1.1 kilohertz? Open pipe na? So here F is equal to 1.1 into 1000. This will be 1100 Hz. F is equal to open pipe NV by 2L. Here this is 1100. This one we have to find. Velocity of sound is 330 by 2 into length is 30 centimeter means 0.3 meters. Okay, this 0.1s, 3 1/10s. So 110 cancel by 10 times. So n is equal to how much? 2. 10 into 2 into 0.1. This will be 2. So option for this will be second harmonic, 4th it will be 14th it will be 4th option. Next, see the 15. What they are asking, see, stretched string is vibrating in the second overtone. Second overtone means third harmonic. It is vibrating with 3 loops. How many notes will be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes. How many anti-nodes will be formed? This is one anti-node. This is one anti-node. This is one anti-node. So totally 4 nodes. 3 anti-nodes will be formed. Next, 16. 16 little bit logic. So 15, what is the option means? Second option is correct. I think typing mistake is that they gave wrong option. 15th modify it as second option. Next, 16. What they are asking, see. When 2 tuning forks A and B are sounded together, 4 beats are producing. Here this is A, this is B. When these 2 are sounded, how many beats are producing means 4. NA, NB. We don't know NA is more or NB is more. So we can take NA minus NB is 4 or NB minus NA is 4. Frequency of the fork B is 384. So since NB is equal to 384, then NA is equal to, if you substitute here, 388H, or if you substitute here, it will be 380H. Its frequency maybe it is already 384. So if its frequency is 388, 388 minus 384, how much? 4. If its frequency is 380, 384 minus 380 is again 4. So its frequency may be 380 or maybe 388. When A is filed, A is filed means its frequency will increase. Its frequency, if it is 388, it becomes 390. If it is 380, if it becomes 382. Number of beats, what happened? Increased. Number of beats increased means definitely its frequency will be more than this. So its frequency will be 388. My logic question, if its frequency is 380, after filing it becomes 382. Now number of beats 384 minus 382, it becomes 2 only, decreasing. But number of beats are increased, so definitely its frequency will be 388. So after filing it becomes 390. 390 minus 384 means 6, frequency is increasing. Okay, like this questions will be there. So we'll stop now this 16. Remaining problems will continue in the next class. Okay.